friends, this is Kumud from Kumudni's Home Gardens. So today we are going to talk about these trellises. Trellis is a very important part of our gardening, and especially in summers and during monsoons, its importance is very obvious. You see, in summers we have our climbing vegetables and even the flowery vines, almond and all. They need these trellises. So it is so important. So I was thinking that I will make a video on how to make trellises, but first I'll show you how I have made my trellises. You see, it is very simple, friends. You see this this bamboo pole. I took these. I took two bamboo poles and I stuck, hammered down one from this side and one from the other side. You see, and over that a long bamboo. See how long it is. A very long bamboo, about 8 feet. I have tied it with these two small ones. You see? So tying is also very tricky. You have to take a very sturdy rope. I have taken this nylon rope, green nylon rope, and it is very sturdy. It will last, at least for this year it will last. So the trick is that you have to have a cross like this to make a trellis and then tie it. If you will keep this portion upon this portion, it will not stay. So you have to keep it like this only, little cross. One like this and the other crossing it and then tying it from here. So this makes it very sturdy. It will not fall, it will not go anywhere, it will not shake with winds. So it is very sturdy. So you see, if you go little down, I have put my these apple gods vegetable plants here, and they all are in line like this. So when they became big, I just took them and with the help of strings, I tied them with this bamboo. So similarly, the other side also, the same kind of arrangement is done. See? And it is tied this side. So from that side also and from this side also, from both sides these vines are secured and they get enough space to spread out, and they get full air, and then they give flower and fruits. If you come this side, like I have come the other side, this side some other vegetable vines are there, and they are also tied with this. These are my zucchini plants, and for these I don't need a trellis, just one pole or post is okay to facilitate them not to fall. So this is the other kind of helping them grow. This is also the similar kind of trellis, and this is for my cucumbers, and again the same kind of arrangement. The bamboos or sticks or branches, whatever is there with you to make trellises, you just have to join them like this in a cross manner and tie them properly, and they will make a nice trellis for your climbers and vining vegetables. This is another setup of trellis, and here I have covered I made a roof rather, and put lots of split bamboos and tied them so that my vines or climbers, they can go from here and go trail upside or climb upside. Okay, yeah, you can see and get an idea. This is an iron structure, and this, although I had put it for the decoration purpose, but this is also doing the work of trellis. And I have put some good vines here, like one is Giloy, and another one is Aparajita. It's a flowery vine. Just show you if I can. Yeah, see? They both are climbing together. It's looking lovely. So the thing is, friend, with your imagination, you can make any kind of trellis according to your house and the structure of your garden, and according to the vegetables requirement. You can make any kind of trellis with the help of with the nylon string and some bamboo sticks or some other sticks, some branches, some strong stems, or with anything. You can buy some wires or wire mesh, and they can also work as trellis. So that's that. So I hope you got some idea about trellises, friends. This is how I have done. I would like to see your trellises also, and tell me something about your trellises, friends. Thank you so much. Happy trellising. Happy gardening.